असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now exercise 1.4 problem number 2. Look at the question ma. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Here we have to clarify the given numbers are rational or irrational. Okay, so look at that. Number 1 5 minus root 3. Number 2 root 3 plus root 2. Third one root 2 minus 2 whole square. Fourth one 2 root 7 by 7 root 2. Number 5 2 pi 6 1 by root 3 7 2 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 2. So we have to classify them now. So we have one property ma. What is that? So we have one note in the previous class we have studied that if q is a rational number and or s is a irrational number, then q plus s comma q minus s comma qs comma q by s is a irrational number. So if q is a rational number, s is a irrational number, then q plus s, it means addition of rational and irrational number, comma subtraction of rational and irrational number, and product of rational and irrational number, and division of rational and irrational number is again a irrational number. Okay, right. So if you sum, if you subtract, if you multiply, if you division between the rational and irrational number, we get again irrational number only. Okay, right. Look at here. So by using this note 5 minus root 3 1, this one, and this fifth one, and this sixth one. Okay, right. Is there any possibility? No ma. Right. So first one and the third one, so not third one, fifth one it is, fifth one and the sixth one are irrational numbers, isn't it? So look at the first one here. What is the question ma? 5 minus root 3. So this is a rational number and this one is irrational number. Here we are subtracting the subtraction between rational and irrational number. Okay, so we get again irrational number here. Okay, right. And fifth one, look at what is the question ma? 2 pi. So here pi is a irrational number and 2 is a rational number. We have multiplication between the rational and irrational number. So that is why we get again irrational number only. Okay, that is what is irrational number. And sixth one, what is the question ma? 1 by root 3. Here 1 is a rational number, root 3 is a irrational number. Here we are having a division operation between the rational and irrational number. So if you perform the division, we get again irrational number. Okay, by this note. Okay, so these three are irrational numbers. Okay, right. Next we shall see the remaining ones. So I am going to erase this. Right. What are the remaining ma? Second one. So root 3 plus root 2. So here it is, and root 3 is also irrational number. Here root 3 comma root 2 are irrational numbers. We are having the addition between the two irrational numbers. Okay, so the sum of two irrational number is again a irrational number, isn't it? So addition of two rational numbers is again a irrational number. So it is a irrational number. Okay, right. So coming to third one. So root 2 minus 2 whole square. So if you simplify this, so it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So we can write this as root 2 whole square plus 2 square minus 2 into root 2 into 2. So what it becomes? Square root gets cancelled. 2 plus 2 square means 2 into 2 minus it is 2 into 2 into root 2. Okay. So what becomes? 2 plus 4 minus 4 root 2. 2 into 2 4. Okay. So 6 minus 4 root 2. So this 4 root 2 is a irrational number. This 6 is a rational number. So between the rational and irrational number we are having subtraction sign. So it means we get again a irrational number. Okay. So it is a irrational number. Next. So what is the next problem? Fourth one. So look at fourth one. So what is the question? 2 by root 7 by 7 by root 7. Here root 7 gets cancelled. What is the remaining ma? 2 by 7. It is nothing but in the form of p by q, and q not equals 0 and p comma q are integers. So it is a rational number. Okay. It is a rational number. Next, the final one, seventh one. So what is the given question? 2 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 2. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So a plus b into a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. Now by this formula we can write this as 2 square minus root 2 whole square. Okay. Square root gets cancelled. 2 into 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, it is 2 is the answer. 2 is a rational number. Okay. Isn't it? Is it a rational number or not? Right. This is a rational number. Okay. Right. This is about second problem. We have classified here which is rational, which is not rational. Okay.